All right, today is day 5 of dinosaurs. Hoping you have had a horrific time. All right, so take out all your pieces. Very, very easy one. He's cute though. You're gonna want your bag to have the opening like towards you, opening like this, but I'm gonna face it towards you so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, and the flap. All right, our head is gonna go on to the flap and only the flap. Don't glue it down, okay? So the way I would do this is to take your glue and put glue just on the flap. That way you can make sure you don't glue the head down to the bag. Ooh. Okay, so something like that. Easy peasy. And then you're gonna line up the body. Okay, and this one you can flip over. Put your glue on. And then lift up the flap, okay? So something like that. And then we have our tail. All right. Could I put it this way? It doesn't.
Good, but it's not doesn't look quite right.
Look at that.
Yeah.
See the scales?
Yep.
All right. So if you put it on this side, the scales are up. If they were down, it would not look right.
No.
Okay.
I wouldn't be very comfortable with a dinosaur either.
No. And so we want to put this one on the back. Okay. So somewhere around like that. You can even tilt it and have it sticking up a little. Pull it off. Just glue the end. Okay, just a little bit on the end. And that way you can kind of figure out what angle you want it on as well. And then just push it down. I told you this was a quick one.
That's right.
Quick, but it's cute. All right. And then, once you're done, have yourself a little puppet. It's so cute. We need a name.
We do.
It's a dinosaur. Let's give it a D name. Kind of looks kind of feminine.
How about Dolly?
Dolly?
Dolly the dinosaur.
Hi, Dolly. All right. This will be Dolly, our dinosaur. What are you going to name your dinosaur?
That's
Let
right.
me know. Let me know. All right, you guys. I hope you have had fun this week. I'll see you next time. Bye.